Diamabrush maintenance tool operation. It's easy to maintain polished concrete and terrazzo floors without using topical chemicals or burnishing. Using your own cleaning machine and utilizing the Diamabrush maintenance tools regularly will keep your floor looking smooth, honed, cleaned, and polished indefinitely. Whether you are cleaning an industrial floor, retailer, an airport, or school, follow these best practices to optimize the effectiveness of the Diamabrush tools. This video covers 6 main topics: daily preparation, machine inspection, machine settings, operation, stain removal, and blade replacement. Daily preparation. Inspect the floor for any large debris that might be left on the floor that could potentially cause damage to the cleaning machine or the Diamabrush tools. Always be sure the Diamabrush tools are on the automatic scrubber. Machine inspection. Check to ensure the batteries are fully charged. Examine the squeegee to make sure it is clean and pliable. Make sure the recovery and solution tanks on the machine are in good working order. Operators should operate the automatic scrubbing machines on interior floors only. Never use the Diamabrush tools in the vestibule or on wood floors. Machine settings. Operate the floor scrubber with the down pressure set at its maximum level. The water setting should be set at medium level. Keep the scrubber's vacuum running at all times to ensure that you are picking up the water left on the floor. When installing the Diamabrush tools on your scrubber, be sure the machine is off and the scrub deck is in the raised position. Connect the tools with the connectors on your Diamabrush tools to the machine. Operation. There are 2 maintenance grits in the Diamabrush system, the 1000 grit red and the 2000 grit tan blades. During the maintenance phase, use the final step Diamabrush tools to clean the entire floor daily. Diamabrush maintenance tools should be used on all automatic scrubbers on the floor at all times for normal cleaning. Continuous cleaning with the Diamabrush blades will improve the floor and keep it polished indefinitely. Cleaners should operate the automatic scrubber at the normal pace when in the maintenance phase, about 3 miles per hour. If aisles receive excessive traffic and begin to dull, simply make a few extra passes to restore the shine. Stain removal. Using Diamabrush, you now have the ability to remove stains on floors. When removing stains, operate the floor scrubber with the brush down pressure set at its maximum level and the water level to the lowest setting. The Diamabrush maintenance tools you are using to clean the floor can remove many topical stains just through repeated passes. Simply run the Diamabrush maintenance blades over the stain in a back and forth motion. Running 8 to 10 passes over the stain will remove many of them. If the stain has penetrated the concrete deeper or a spill has etched the concrete, you will need to use the Diamabrush stain removal tool. The stain removal tool is the red 1000 grit copper tool. You can do spot stain removal just over that stain. You do not have to restore the entire section or aisle. With the stain removal tool, do repeated back and forth passes to remove the stain. Typically, you will need to do 6 to 10 passes to completely remove the stain. When the stain has been removed, put your maintenance tools back on the scrubber. Run 10 passes, back and forth, over the stain. Repeated passes will darken the floor back up and polish it. Note, the spot you have removed can look lighter in color for a short time until repeated cleaning passes occur over the next week or so. Once your stain removal is completed, be sure to put the stain removal tools in a safe place so they are not used again until the next stain removal session. This tool should not be used for daily cleaning. Blade replacement. Rotary tool. Polymer blade replacement. A blade is considered worn if there is no longer color or grit remaining on the blade. It is extremely important not to run the Diamabrush blades past the color portion, as you could potentially cause damage to your machine. Make sure you are checking the Diamabrush tools at least once a week to assess the remaining blade life. If blades look to have approximately 1/4 inch or less of the colored portion remaining, it is time to reorder new blades. Using a number 3 Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws on the black blade retainers. Remove and dispose of the worn-out blades. Insert the new blade in each individual blade retainer quadrants with the flared edge pointing away, outward, through the slots in the retainer. Failure to properly install the blades will prematurely wear out the blade. Reinsert and tighten the 4 screws to ensure the blade retainers are tightly fit to the brush block. Then reinstall the brushes to the machine. If blades are low in color, let your manager know that new Diamabrush blades will be needed. Rotary tool. Copper blade replacement. First, it is recommended to loosen the screws on the retainers without removing them. This will make it easier to remove the worn blades. Now, use pliers to tilt the blade, then slide the blade out of the slot. Slide the new blade into the slot and snap it into the retainer. Then tighten the screws on all the retainers to the brush block. Cylindrical tool. Polymer blade replacement. Use a flathead screwdriver or the Diamabrush ring removal tool to remove the retaining ring of the brush. Slide out each of the worn blades and discard them. Insert and slide the new blades into all the slots on the tool. And then replace the metal retaining ring. Now the tool is ready for use. Using the Diamabrush system will ensure floors are clean and polished indefinitely. If you have any questions or you need additional support, please contact a Diamabrush representative at 855-DB Tools.